Shree Bhagwati manufacture, automatic double-head auger filling machine. An automatic double-head auger filling machine is a highly specialized piece of equipment designed for precise and efficient filling of powdered or granular products into containers. These machines are widely used in industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and cosmetics, where accuracy and speed are crucial for production efficiency and product consistency. The core component of an auger filling machine is the auger screw, which rotates to move the product through a funnel into the container. In a double-head auger filling machine, there are two such auger systems, allowing for simultaneous filling of two containers. This dual-head design effectively doubles the machine's output compared to a single-head system, making it ideal for high-volume production environments. The operation of an automatic double-head auger filling machine begins with containers being fed into the machine on a conveyor system. As the containers reach the filling station, they are precisely positioned under the auger heads. The augers, driven by servo motors for precise control, rotate to dispense a preset amount of product into each container. The amount dispensed can be adjusted via the machine's control panel, which typically features a user-friendly interface for setting parameters and monitoring the filling process. One of the primary advantages of using an automatic double-head auger filling machine is its ability to deliver highly accurate fills. The servo-controlled augers ensure consistent fill weights, which is essential for maintaining product quality and meeting regulatory requirements, especially in the pharmaceutical and food industries. Additionally, the machine's automated nature reduces the need for manual labor, thereby minimizing the risk of human error and contamination. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.